Imagine that you have just been named the chair of a committee of an alliance. And the goal of this alliance is to develop a systems approach that will enable every student to be successful. You're the chair. And you have this opportunity to think about your components or your goals. Please press pause, jot down at least 6 components. What will your committee work toward? Where will it begin? What will the ultimate result be? Please press pause and jot down 6 components. Welcome back. You have listed your components of an Achievement Alliance. I will share with you the components that my co-authors and I developed. These are not the only components. I'm sure you have some that could enrich this list, but we are interested in preparing under-resourced students for civic engagement, first of all. It is not enough to help students to become self-sustaining, but the ultimate goal is for them to become actors into the sustainment of their environments. Number 2, we want to create an engaging learning environment. And we know that this requires us to examine the lives of our students and to identify the components that could make this happen. Number 3, we want to develop rapid responses to barriers. We have students who disappear. They simply fall off the radar. And sometimes we have no idea what happened to them, what caused them to drop out. And without a rapid response system, then we will not be able to identify the causes of some students' disappearance. And it is critical that we help them to develop long-term support. We can't find them every day, but we can help them not only to develop long-term support, but to recognize the need that this is a possibility for them and it is a responsibility for them. Number 4, build actionable partnerships. During my many years of working at the college level, I recall some involvement in the community, but I now realize that increasing that community involvement had the potential to assist many of our students in being successful and in staying in the community in which I lived. And finally, we are helping our students to solve problems with others. When our students graduate, they will not have all of their problems solved. They think they will, but they won't. And we want to start this process of problem solving so that they can reach graduation and so that they can live productive lives once they have graduated. Finally, our goal is to develop sustainable communities for the sake of the community itself and for the sake of our graduates. Again, these are sample components. If you have in mind other components that you think could or should be added to the list, we would love to hear from you.